Good morning, students. Today I am going to start History chapter first of 6th standard. Chapter name is Reconstructing the Past. In this chapter, we will discuss about what, where, how, and when based concept. Our first topic is what is history. The word history comes from the ancient Greek command hist. Know this. In Greek, I know also meant I have seen. It means the word history comes from the Greek word which mean I know and I have seen. It means history is based on evidences, on basis on facts. And historio came to mean learn by inquiry. It means these evidences are based on searching. The Greeks realized that one cannot know anything unless one has either seen it for oneself or made an inquiry about it. So the Greeks were among the first people to write history. It means knowledge that is gained from the history of the past is called history. Means the evidences that are based on past known as history. It teaches us great lessons. It guides us what to do and what not to do. And history also inform us about our rich past and how people lived, what they ate, what they wore, and what type of houses they built. It means these type of inquiries we will discuss in this chapter. And we know that the present cannot be understood without understanding the past. Understanding the past means based on history. So the people who describe the past are known as historians. And father of history, who is known as the father of history, Herodotus. Herodotus, who wrote about the war between the Greek and the Persian, is regarded as the father of history. For example, who is known as the father of computer? Charles Babbage, same as the father of the history was Herodotus. Basic features of history. It means the characteristics of history. Historical knowledge must be based on evidences that I told you earlier. These facts are based on inquiry. Evidence literally means that which has been seen. It means we come to know about kingdoms, dynasties, king, leaders, rulers by studying the history. And it also deals with the life and activity of the rulers, of the emperors who have shaped our history. History is not just one story but several. Okay? Related to history, there are several stories like different type of battles, different type of kingdoms, different type of territories established by the rulers. Everything must be looked at in a critical way. It means on the basis of criticize. To check for any errors, historians try to find out not only what happened but why it happened. It means on history, always based on what, when, where, how, these facts we will discuss.